AP US History class, and this is question 2 review for the Unit 2 review day. In the previous video, I went over the question number 1, so I'm going to scroll down and take us to the question number 2. Alright, I will make the font a little bigger so we can have it easier to see. Let's try 40. Whoop, that's too big. And let's try this one. That's still too big. Alright, I think that's a good amount size. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this question number 2 is explain why the idea of virtual representation caused bitterness and disgust amongst the colonists. So, you need to know what virtual representation is here, and you need to know why it would cause the colonists who were rebelling against Great Britain to be bitter and full of disgust. So why, put another way, why did virtual representation make the colonists unhappy? Right? A few terms that would be good in a response here are parliament, because that is...
Pardon this interruption. Drew Drain, if you're in the building, please come to the high school office. Drew Drain, please come to the high school office.
All right, pardon that interruption by Mr. Riddle. Parliament would be a good term to put in. Great Britain, the word representation. Elections would be good. Laws would be good. Colonies would be good. It would even be relevant to include power of the purse. Parliament was saying that if a colony had a representative in the European mother country of Great Britain, they didn't need to have a representative coming from the colony in order for them to be able to follow laws. It was enough to just be told what to do by the mother country of Great Britain over in Europe. And that's what caused the colonies to be really upset, because they wanted to have their own representative. They wanted to have free elections to choose who was going to make decisions for them and who was going to make the laws that they had to follow. They also wanted to be able to control their leaders' salaries, right? And Great Britain thought that virtual representation said, well, if you're a colony of Great Britain, you don't need a representative because you are part of Great Britain, and just alone being told what to do by the mother country of Great Britain is enough.
Keisha Alfie,
All right.
if you're in the building, please come to Ms. Riddle's office. Keisha Alfie, if you're in the building, please come to Ms. Riddle's office. Thank you.
All right. So that was another interruption. Sorry about that. But this explains why virtual representation caused the colonists to be upset. That is our review for question number 2.